Okay. So Cheryl Mary, can you tell me which part of the fish is helping them to swim in the water?
Tail.
Tail. Okay, tail is helping them. Then
Gills.
what else? Fins. Okay, fins are there. Then what else? What else?
Gills.
Gills, fins and gills. Gills are not actually helping them. That is helping them for respiration. It is the fins and one more thing. Something peculiar feature about their body. What do you call for that shape?
Streamlined.
Streamlined shape. The streamlined
Streamlined
shape
shape.
and the tail and as well as the fins. Okay. Yeah. So that means whenever the fish is moving in one side, the muscles are moving one side, the tail is moving them in opposite side. So that make the fish to have a jerk and it will move. You might have noticed that whenever you catch hold of the fish, they will just shake their body and they will come out of their hands. Okay, this is because of they are having a movement combined with the tail as well as the muscles on the top of their streamlined body. So that is why we cannot catch the fish with our hand alive. That's why we are using the net. Okay, net is easy. Otherwise, if you catch it, they will just jump out from of the hands because of that movement.
Slippery, ma'am.
Slippery. One is slippery because of the presence of the scale. Another thing is they move, their body move one side, but the tail move opposite side. So that combined movement of both body help them to jump out of our hands. Okay, so that's about it. So we completed up to here. So now we are moving to the last part of this chapter, that is our snake. So snake also is having, so I have not brought the picture of the snake, I am just
This is a skeleton.
brought the skeleton of the snake, because that is something we need to learn, something beautiful about their body. So the snake have bones. Okay, snake has a bone and not single bone. Just like a human being, this entire body is a long backbone. This is backbone like us. The snake is having a bone, what you call backbone, actually, a long backbone. Snakes have a long backbone and then snakes have a long backbone and many thin muscles. So with the backbone, so many muscles are connected. Then all these muscles are connected, and not only that, muscles are interconnected the backbone, ribs and skin. Okay, they connecting, the backbone is connected to the ribs. So they also have a small bone like structure, what we call ribs, that you can see in both the side of the snake. You can see there is a rib like structure. So single backbone, it is connected with ribs, and they also have a skin, and on the backbone we also have a muscles. So they have muscles, backbone, ribs and a skin covering. And what is about the structure of their body? Their body curves into many loops. Loops means you can see so many small loops around them. Okay, so each loop of the snake gives a forward push, because each loop is connected to one another. Suppose the first loop is moving, then the second loop which is attached to start moving. Then the third one also attached to that moving. Then fourth one also attached to moving. Because all these are connected to a single structure, that is what we call backbone. Then when each ring is moving like that, they are having a wave-like structure. The movement of the snake is like that. They cannot travel straight line. Because of the structure of this body, the snakes never travel on a straight line. They always move like this. Okay, so it is, we can say that just like a wave-like structure. So why? Because snake's body curves into many loops. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground, not simply. So each loop are pressing against the ground and they are giving a push. Okay. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. So this is the reason.
Yeah, it
Now,
can turn
Gautam.
with the help of this.
Yes, Gautam, now you can say.
Ma'am, because of this backbone, they cannot be in straight like a line.
Not like that. The backbone we can also bend, no, not the backbone. They are having a loop like structure on their body. That's the one making them to be like that. So each loop is interconnected. Each loop is interconnected to the backbone. So each loop is moving. First loop moves, then the second loop moves. Once the second loop start moving, third loop moves. So they all are not moving at a line. They all are moving because of the presence of the other loops around them.
Okay, ma'am. And
Yeah, so that is the one. Okay, and how? That's why I told you. The snake's body curves into many loops. Each
Yes.
loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. Okay, since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. So this is the reason of why they are moving in the wave line. These 2 points. These 2 points on the slide will give you the reason behind how does the snake move a wave-like structure. Okay, I read once again. The snake's body curves into many loops. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. Since its long body and have many loops, each loop gives this push. The snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. So the structure ring is in a circular form. That's why their movement also just like a slanting. Okay.
ma'am, so this ribs and skin and means ribs are inside this loops.
Not inside the loop. They all are interconnected.
Okay, ma'am.
These rings are giving them a structure of the ribs actually. Okay. So they are all are interconnected. Backbone, ribs, and the skin.
Excuse me, ma'am. Only they can be in like a wave shape. They can be like
Yes.
circle, right?
They are not circle. Not like that. The movement
They
is
can-
wave-like. They can become circle. Why they are becoming a circle? Because of this structure. Correct. I'm
Yeah,
talking
like
about the movement. Movement, they will not move in the circles. They move like this. Because our idea is how does the snake move only, not that. They can crawl in a circular shape because you must have seen. Some people will make them to sing that flute and then make the snake to move. Actually, it is not because of snake is listening that music. Sometimes they will also will sense that movement of what you call magudi. That people who catch the snake, they blow magudi, no? Then with that, the snake is moving. So don't think because snake is dancing by listening to the sound. The sound is helping them to sense something. Okay, but they are not seeing that magudi or they are not seeing any of the things. Okay, but they may able to sense the sound. That is true. They will able to sense the sound. They don't have eyes. They able to sense the sound, and as well as whenever one object is in front of them, their muscles will give a sensation that something in front of them. So by looking at that, they are just by sensing that they just move. Okay. Have you observed this Baba Suresh in Kaumadi TV?
Yes, ma'am.
In Kaumadi TV, he always shows how he catches the snake and all. And he is holding it. But see, it is why he is holding it, because the snake cannot see. The snake is just standing without taking it by looking at some light or something. Okay, so he is very careful. So he always keep the snake in a particular distance so that in case he sense the face of the that Baba Suresh, then he naturally it will bite. Okay, it will sting. But actually, that snake is standing because it cannot see. It is only sensing some object is with him. Only that much. Okay. So that is so each animal has a peculiar feature. So like human being have all the five senses, and some of the four-legged animals have so many senses. Like us, they also have a five senses. But this reptiles, creatures, insects, cockroach, fishes, they don't have all the five senses like we human being. Okay, so that's why these people have a different type of structure in their body and different type of movement. Okay, children? Yes. So now we completed by this, we complete this chapter. Now we will discuss the one word answers which is in your textbook. Can you take your textbook, all of you?
Okay,
Because
one
in the
minute.
printed note, I have not given you the one word answers. Not that you will do it in your textbook now. So Monday, don't forget to study and come. Page number,
Ma'am,
page number 78, please.
ma'am, will there be a test in Monday
Yes, there will be a test.
in this
On-
chapter?
Yeah, this chapter.
Ma'am, written or MCQ?
Ma'am,
Written or
last
MCQ?
Yes,
ma'am,
Written
last
or MCQ?
MCQ. Now we can have a MCQ. So after January, when you come to January, I may be giving you a written test because that is easy for me. So that you can write it in the school and also I can correct it directly. So that's
Excuse
why
me,
I'm
ma'am.
not taking the written test now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
But there was a document that tell should the children come at January.
That's a depend upon your parents because Omicron is in Kerala. There are 4 people are tested Omicron. So they are saying that that is very contagious. So by Christmas,
Ma'am, because one dead body.
yeah, not only that, Christmas and by January, your New Year celebration and all.
After that itself, they will be
Yeah.
high.
Can be high. So that is why, because your parents are responsible. No, whenever you come to the school, don't think that you are able to maintain the social distance and all. It's not like that. Whenever you come to the school, here all the students, no one is keep social distance. They are keeping the mask. Okay, they are putting the mask and sitting in the classes, talking and playing all with the mask. Okay, but social distance and all, there's a very difficult for you children to keep. Maybe 1 or 2 days you will keep. Afterwards, what will happen? Once you accustomed to the school, you usually take it out, the problem. You will hold the hands, hold the shoulder. That's why happened now 8th and 9th. When they came, they were keeping the distance and all, not touching, not that. Now, even we tell also, they are not listening. They are sharing their chocolate, they are sharing the things with their hand. So many things are
But how
happening.
much mask should we wear?
But thank God we did not as COVID cases not there so far. I think around 200 students are there in the school now. Okay, and so far we didn't get any COVID cases in our schools. Okay, that means you are not simply coming. Before that, there's a checking. You see, when you come for uniform, you must have seen checking the temperature, washing the sanitizer and all.
Ma'am, I think it's not working because the same display is coming for everyone.
No, that is because someone did not switch on it, or sometimes the battery will become weak. Okay. Because
Ma'am, how much mask
every day, the bus children are getting down in front of the office. All the children now in the school,
That
they're
is why
getting
better to
down
get
in
to
front of the
above the
office.
office.
They come in a line and check their temperature. Then only they are entering into the class. No one is allowed without that. Okay. So that is there. We are taking the precautions, but afterwards you all are alone, no? In the school, in the class, you will be playing, you will be keeping hand on others and this and all. So it's your parents should decide. Is it? They should have the courage to send you. That's all.
Ma'am, should we
So
wear
that's why
2
sir is
masks?
sending again message. Is there any problem?
Okay.
Are you all there facing?
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am, should we wear 2 masks when we come to school?
You will wear 2 masks, 3 masks brightly. And after 3 days, you will remove 1 mask.
Ma'am, no, that was asked by Ayman. Ma'am,
Ma'am, it was
so
me, I
snakes
know.
cannot see. So snakes cannot see.
No, they
Then
cannot
how
see.
They
they
have
have
eyes.
eyes?
Smell,
Then for
smell,
what they
smell.
have
They
eyes?
smell it. They smell the prey.
Ma'am, they have.
And they also listen the sound.
Ma'am, how they have eyes?
Ma'am,
Eyes have maybe some sensor, but they don't have like our proper vision. I'm talking. Just like us, they don't have the proper
They're like
vision.
little bit blind.
Okay. Only they recognize the lights. They only recognize the light, powerful
They
light.
don't recognize the.
Other things they can recognize. That's why in the night only majority snakes are coming out of their den.
To
Why?
find light.
They are not. They are scared of the light. Okay. So in the night only they are coming out of it because of that reason. Okay, children. So now we are coming to the fill in the blanks. All of you take page number 78.
78.
Yes. Adinath, can you read first question? Fill in the blanks.
Joint of the bones help in the dash of the body.
What should be the answer, Adinath? Joints of the bones help us to do what? What do you call for?
Framework of the body.
No. Joints and joints, how they are helping the bone. For what purpose joints are helping the
Movement.
to move? So your answer is movement. So all of you please write movement. So fill in the blanks. First answer, movement. Okay. Next, Adil, can you read the second question? Fill in the blanks. Unmute. Unmute and read. Do you have textbook?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What, Angelina?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
last,
can I read?
ma'am, when you sent the last note, you said we can take printout of extra questions.
This chapter you cannot take printer. You have to write. Because this chapter did not have any exercise question. Only one question is there. Richard, can you read? Can you give me the answer of B? Read and give me the answer.
A combination of bones and cartilages form the dash of the body.
What is the answer? What do you call for it? Bones and, the combination of bones and cartilage. What does it form? Skeleton.
Skeleton.
Next one, Angelina. Martin, give the next answer.
Yes, ma'am. The bones at the elbow are joined by a dash joint.
What joint? Elbow is joined with what?
Hinge joint.
Hinge. Okay. Yes. Angelina, next to second Angelina Jo. Read the third one. Fourth one.
The contraction of the dash pulls the bones during a movement.
Okay. The contraction of what?
Muscles.
Muscles. Yes. Tania, next one. Question number 2. True or false?
The movement
And
locomotion
locomotion. Say the word locomotion.
locomotion of an animal is said the same.
Is it same?
False.
False. Okay. Next. Ayman, read the second one.
The cartilages are harder than the bones. False.
It's false. Okay. Next, Isha, read the next one.
the finger bones do not have joints.
What's that? Is it correct?
It's false.
False, because these are the gliding joints. Okay. Finger bones they have gliding joint. Anandesh, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
The forearm has 2 bones.
Is it true or false?
False.
It's true. Your forearm what?
Yeah, it's two. It's
It is connected
below the shoulder.
Yeah, yes. So we have 2 bones. Correct. Next one is Ambrose. Question number 5.
Coco Chow and outer skeleton.
Is it true or true?
True.
Okay. Yes, true. So first 3 are false and next is true. Next 2 are true. Okay. Agnay, sorry, Brightlin. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
match the question number 3? Match the items in column 1.
Upper jaw is
Is an upper jaw is an which one? Which one you have to, you can join by drawing a line over there. First one.
Ma'am, can resume?
Brightlin, you say
ma'am.
upper jaw. Which is
Upper
correct
jaw.
in that?
Ma'am, I'm checking.
Check. Checking in the Google.
Yeah, ma'am.
Otherwise, you don't know. Okay, Cheryl Mary, give me the
It is
answer.
movable.
Upper jaw is an immovable joint.
Immovable joint.
Immovable. Lower jaw we move, but upper jaw
Upper
we
jaw
do
is
not move.
immovable.
Okay. Sri Shankar, give me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Fish. There, it can be more than one answer. Okay, you have to check that also. The fish.
The
Don't check
fish
on the Google. If you know, you will write answer. Fish
Has-
have
have fins on the body,
and one more
have a
streamlined body.
body.
Okay, so there are 2 answers. One is fins, another one is streamline. So you have to draw it 2 lines. Okay. Next one is Pavitra. Can you read the ribs?
Protect the heart.
Yes, ribs protect the heart. Jovin, what about the 4th one, Jovin?
Snail shows very slow movement.
Yes, snail, slow movement. Okay. 5th one is Agne, cockroach. Which one? Out of that, which is correct? Agne. Agne, can you unmute and speak? Unmute.
Ma'am,
Cockroach.
has an outer skeleton and can fly in the air.
Oh, okay. So the last one, skeleton. They have skeleton and also fly. They fly in the air. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, the second one, fourth.
Which
True or
one?
false?
Second,
Ma'am, second
one,
question D.
question B. The cartilage are harder than bones.
No, ma'am, D.
D. Cockroaches have an outer.
Ma'am, the forearm has 2 bones.
It has 2 bones. Forearm means that our entire arm, which is moving, it is connected to the 2 bones. You can touch and
Ma'am,
feel
the
it.
fingers, there are many
You
bones.
can touch there because limb bones, no? These are the tongue which is connected with the limb bones. If you touch your forearm, you will see in both the sides there are 2 bones. You can feel it. Can you feel it?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, below the wrist.
Below the elbow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
That is forearm.
Ma'am,
I thought it was forelimb.
No. Forelimb means the limb bones are connected to the forearm. Limb bones are connected to forearm as well as it is connected to the legs also. We have forelimbs. Forelimbs are upper portion of your hands, arms, elbow, everywhere. Hind limbs are the one hip, thigh, legs, and all that. So everywhere we have a limb bones is connected. Okay. So we have completed all the exercises, children. So what I'm going to do means any doubt regarding this chapter, children. So you have to one more thing.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Any diagram for labeling? Let me check. Have any diagram? for labeling? No. Ball and socket joint, rib cage, shoulder bones. No. Okay, you can. Page number 68, children. Page number 68. Figure 8.3. So that is for labeling. Ball and socket joint. Identify ball and socket joint, hip bone and thigh bone. Please click on it for labeling. And also figure 8.4. Pivotal joint. Where is the pivotal joint or pivotal joint of our human being is?
Ma'am, this we should do as activity.
No activity. This is for you, the exams, and you can learn the parts. Where is the pivotal joint?
Can you repeat? Can you
Ma'am,
repeat?
diagram, right?
Diagram, labeling the diagram. Page number 68.
Ma'am, in the test, we have to draw this and all.
No drawing. You can just
Ma'am, which are-
identify. The
Ma'am,
first
which are-
one, figure 8.3. Please click on it. Tick on, not click, tick it. Figure 8.3, ball and socket joint. The pictures of this can be given and you have to identify which joint it is, which bone it is. Then figure 8.4. The figure will be given and you have to identify what type of joint it has. Ball and socket joint, pivotal joint. Okay, so these are the two major things. That's all. There is no more to see. Only that two
Can
joints
you
are
repeat
given.
once more? What are the pictures?
Figure 8.3. Figure 8.3 and figure 8.4.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take it.
Okay, only those two. Okay, other things no need.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, we move our body on joints, right?
The joints help our bones to move.
Yeah, ma'am, to bend, right?
Ma'am, we have to draw this image and then we have to
No drawing. Only identify from the picture.
Name
How does
name the
a
parts.
snail bend? Ma'am, how does a snail bend?
Nail,
Snail.
snail,
How does it bend?
bend. It has muscles on their body. The snail has a muscles on their foot, on the foot. At
So
the
it doesn't
center of
need
the
any-
body, there are muscles, so they can bend.
So it doesn't need any joints?
No, they don't have bones. Snail, earthworm, and cockroach, they don't have bones in their body. They are only having the muscles and some other parts to move.
So they're
That's the
different
difference.
from us.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Took attendance?
caterpillar, all type of worms, they don't have the bones. They only having the muscles
Muscles.
and one or two parts. Even head and all connected to one single organ actually.
They are
Like
so small.
earthworm and all,
Ma'am,
it's a
yes, ma'am,
single
ma'am.
body, correct?
Yeah,
But there are
earthworm is
certain small muscles which is around their
muscles only.
body, and by looking at the picture you are able to see. Okay,
If
children.
they have bonds, they can like move it.
If they have bond, they will be just like we animals,
Yeah.
no? All animals,
They can
apart
walk.
from all these creatures, others all are having bonds. Okay, these creatures, even cockroach, not only cockroach, insects. One or two insects which belong to cockroach family also have the same features. They don't
Ma'am,
have
earthworm
bonds.
is reptile, right? Or
Yeah,
other-
reptile, one family. But snake is another family of the reptiles. Okay, so all reptiles are not having the same features. Like snail is a different feature. Snake is another feature.
Snake
Okay.
also does not have
They have bones. That's what we learned today. Backbone.
yes.
Yeah. So reptiles have different features. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
attendance.
but they don't have
Okay,
that
children,
outs.
I think it is almost
much-
time up.
Ma'am,
So
I have a
we'll wind
doubt.
up the
Hello, ma'am.
Why?
Or failure.
and Anandesh.
No.